Good morning, everyone. Let's try to explore our new Unix app that has been launched last night. And unfortunately, this app is still not working for iOS. We need to wait for additional 48 hours because of some technical issues that still they need to fix for all the Apple mobile phone users. So like what I have told the team and many leaders, please make sure that you have made your depositors and incoming depositors that our Munics digital banking app is working perfectly with Android phones. So either they purchase an Android phone or they stick with their Apple iPhone, but they could experience some technical issues along the way. So I really love the new interface of our new Munics digital bank application. If you could remember, there is actually an additional tab here or feature that you can see. Before, we only have home, financial, discover, and me, and below there is an additional asset. So there is an additional asset feature. So when you click on the asset feature, this is the new one. Here is you will see everything that you have in the application as digital asset. So if you have here MOS, which is actually our MUI, USDA, USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, EOS, XRF, and MOVE. I don't know what this MOVE is, so we have to wait for this one. So like here, my total asset is 28,576.96, but actually 18,556 was on the wallet. 5,996 is consumer fund, which is actually not added here, and the financial management, which is asset, which is actually my actual deposit for the financial plan program that earns interest, is 10,020. So all you have to do is here in the asset section, if you want to deposit something, exchange, transfer, you all have to do it in this section. So you have to click, for example, you want to send USDA to other people, you have to click on here USDA from the asset, okay? And then you click here USDA, and then there are 4 options here that you could see: recharge, withdraw, exchange, transfer. Actually, the withdrawal option is still unavailable within 48 hours because it's part of the upgrade. And the exchange also is not available yet, but it would be available after the 48 hours time frame. So we have the recharge and the transfer. So for the recharge and the transfer, we have to, if you want to send like USDA to someone, like a new depositor or your old depositor that would want to add additional USDA, and you have to send them the USDA that they paid for, you have to click on here the transfer. So USDA is the coin type, but actually from here you can easily change it to like what other digital assets or cryptocurrencies that you would like to send to someone else. So here we choose USDA. All you have to do is paste here the email address that was used to register. So you don't have to click Y account if you are not registered with Ubank. So you just have to ignore it and click on next. And after that, you will see all the assets here, like available assets. For the available assets are the USDA that you converted from your own MUI. So your own profit. So if it's your own profit, it will come here in the available assets. And then there were like transfer of assets. These are actually from different people that you can send to other people also. This is something that you cannot withdraw because possibly this type of asset came from another member, or this type of asset, and since it came from another member, there's a possibility that you have actually bought it very low, right? So you can't transfer it. You can't just withdraw it. You can only transfer it to other people. So here Manuel bought around 337,500 USDA. So 1 USDA is actually 54 pesos. So we have to send him 6,250. So for those who were asking like additional USDA, or if there's any like free, there's nothing free anymore, darlings, because even the service charge I have to pay if I'm the one sending you. So for example, here, if I will really send 6,250 as equivalent to what was paid for me, I will lost like 12.5 only for service charge. So it's a lot of money already. So I just have to bear the charges. And also for those who wants to like sell their USDA to other people, you can give them the benefit of bearing the charges yourself. So I just bear the charges, and if I'm to bear the charges, I have to actually send around 6,262.6. So I paid around 100. I paid around 12.6 as a service charge. So anyway, let's stick with the 6. And then you have to transfer it for payment, for BDO payment. Actually, this person, so it's actually quite easy. I can choose to withdraw it, but it will take a long process, like maybe 2 hours to 24 hours, plus it will bear some more transaction fees. So I just choose to just whatever I earn here, if someone needs it, I'm just selling it directly. So I have to transfer it now. Your payment password, and then it will go straight to that. And you need to have another verification, which is actually the email verification, that you will receive an activation code, and so you can send it. So there you go. Okay. It's quite dark. Cause come on. It's a bit taking time. Actually, if it doesn't work, if you fail to receive it the first time, you just have to click the option again, resend, and you will be able to receive it. So first, I'm just gonna do the video, but later on I will send you a PDF presentation, so it will be easy for you. So there you go. So it's 841,682. I was on my third try. Well, I'm experiencing the same thing when I was using video or something. So here you can check on your financial records if you have, in case you need to send to someone the proof that you have sent it to them and how much you were charged, so they would know that you were actually charged a lot of amount, so they would appreciate you. So that's all. Thank you.